Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the support on Trezor Suite. If you're facing issues with your Trezor device or Trezor Suite like connection problems, missing funds or firmware errors, you may need help from the official support, and Trezor provides support mainly through online channels, not phone calls, and this is intentional to protect users from scam. So first open to your Trezor Suite, and you can open with your Face ID or your Touch ID as well. What you can do is go on the setting at the bottom right. Over here we can find there's an option for the support. Tap on the support there. Over here you can find the frequently asked questions by the users as well. You can select one of the frequently asked questions as well, or you can simply go to this Trezor support again. And over here you can also chat to the assistant of the Trezor Suite, and you can simply mention the issue as well, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.